Hey everybody, welcome to the Weekend Fly channel. Today I'm going to fly on Spirit Airlines from here in New York City via Atlanta to Las Vegas. I have been in New York for a couple of days. I just want to say I've met many people, but they've got some attitude. You know what?
Oh, get out of here!
What this? Who are you?
Are you Andy from Weekend Fly 777?
This is Jeb Brooks from greenatgrass.com.
Oh,
Hey!
whoa,
How you doing?
Oh, man!
You went in for the handshake.
Yeah.
Tell me, you've flown Spirit before. What do you think?
Look, you're gonna, you're doing the big front seat.
I'm in the big boy seat at the front. Yeah.
What's it like to be able to fly first class?
Well, there's no bar or shower in this one, so it's going to be, for me, a new experience.
You're slumming it. Look, here's the thing. Spirit is a great airline. You're going to enjoy it. It's going to be a little different to, something
Emirates?
with, there's no crew. There's no Dom Perignon. There's no nothing.
Come on, if you know me, you know I need to have a drink on the flight. That's the BYO?
Do me a favor. Get a buzzball.
A what?
A buzzball.
What's a buzzball?
He's going to find out what a buzzball is.
What is he talking about? I have no clue at this point. I really don't.
And so are you. Enjoy the buzzball.
All right, thanks very much. It's great to meet you. Jeb Brooks from greenatgrass.com. You got to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
All right, now get out of my face. Ah! Good afternoon, welcome to Terminal B at Newark International Airport. Today we're going to fly on that little yellow and black Spirit aircraft. I wonder if this is America's worst airline. Anyway, Jeb Brooks couldn't afford to buy the big boy seat, which is the one at the front where I will be sitting today. He was back in economy, I think, when he did his vlog. Anyway, let's check out the champagne and the 5-star service and caviar on board Spirit Airlines. Yalla, let's go.
With service to Atlanta. Thank you all for choosing Spirit Airlines. To assist us in getting on our way as quickly as possible. Flight attendants, armed doors for departure, cross check, and roll call. Overhead bins closed. Please keep the overhead bins closed.
As we took off from the city that never sleeps, I desperately needed to catch up on some shut-eye. So this short flight was my chance to recover. But recover from what? The 17 cocktails I smashed with that degenerate Jeb Brooks? The crazy laser night club shows? The cowboy bars of Hell's Kitchen? Or maybe just the random madness of Times Square. I may never know, but one thing's for sure, I love New York. We took off on the second leg from Atlanta to Vegas, and after a bit of cloud surfing and engine close-ups, I opened the menu to find out what the hell this buzzball that Jeb Brooks had been telling me about was. Unfortunately, it was sold out on my flight, so to this day I still don't know what the hell he was on about. Instead, I ordered my trusty friend Jack D and Coke and some healthy American-style snacks. By now, my seatmate has that "what the fuck is he doing" saying cheers to a GoPro face. Anyone who's ever vlogged a busy flight will know exactly what I mean. Anyway, after this shot, we got chatting and he turned out to be the most interesting person I've sat next to in a plane in years.
Selfie. Thanks very much for a great flight. See you later. Welcome to Vegas. You know you're in Vegas when there's slot machines inside the airport. Crazy.